Well, good morning. This is a surprise. What? It's kind of crazy seeing these both open in the daytime. Well, it's the morning, but they seem to have opened pretty recently. I just got in there and smelled. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking awesome. Oh wow. I don't want to risk breaking that one by trying to smell it because I'm too short. I'm literally like, I can't. It's really cool. Good morning. Good morning. I thought you were gonna be another day. I didn't expect two in one morning. This is really awesome. This smells nice. Okay, people are coming. I gotta go.